Why every landscape photographer needs a telephoto lens. Did you challenge yourself once to use only telephoto lens in landscape photography? Guys, I've been doing landscape for about 8 or 9 years, and in the first 6 years, I used to make wide landscape photography with ultra-wide angle lenses only. Ultra-wide images show how magnificent the place is, and definitely I still love it. Yet sometimes I feel I'm repeating myself, especially when I go to the same place a couple of times. So in today's video we'll discuss why telephoto lens in landscape photography is a change of perspective and why you have to consider that as well. But first, drop your portfolio link in the comment. I would love to check your good work. Now, let's get started. In 2016, I went for a full-day hike in Sutjeska National Park in Bosnia, and in 2020, I plan to visit the same place once again. I already made good images back then, and I start losing interest. But my wife wants to go there, and the landscape is absolutely stunning, so I challenge myself to use a telephoto lens only. No wide images, no wide lenses, and that's gonna be the only lens. I'm excited again, and I can't wait to repeat the same experience from a different perspective. And by the way, I recommend every hiker to visit Sutjeska National Park. It's the Yosemite of Southeast Europe, a beautiful untouched nature on the border of Bosnia and Montenegro. Do not go there alone. The track is tricky and sometimes dangerous. I went with the Green Vision hikers. They organize group hiking around Bosnia, and this is not a sponsored video. They don't even know I'm giving them a shout out, but they are friendly people and they make a good experience. And to make this clearer guys, I have 70 to 200mm and this is short to medium telephoto lens. And despite the camera you have, you can use a variety of telephoto lenses, and a focal length of 85mm and more is considered a telephoto. And 24 to 105mm is kind of telephoto lens as well. When you zoom in, it does work, and it makes a good job. As you see guys, now we have a totally different perspective. And I feel I missed a lot when I was using a wide angle lens only. 24-105 was my favorite lens back then, and I made good images at 105mm. But the 70 to 200mm is far more versatile, and you can reach more and make the background more compressed. I also have a crop sensor camera along with my full frame. And when using the 70 to 200mm telephoto lens on a crop sensor, you get about 140 to 300mm. Check those images for example. It's a good combination when I need more reach. Now I'm shooting from a different perspective and the images tell more of a story. That's why I recommend having a telephoto lens for landscape photography. As you may know, I'm a Sony user and I love my 70 to 200mm f4. I don't need f2.8 exposure. This f4 is much smaller, lighter and tack sharp at f4. You can use any other lens if you wish, like the 70 to 300, the 24 to 240, as long as you don't need a wide aperture. Despite the camera brand you use, there are a couple of versatile telephoto lenses in the market, and I highly recommend getting the ones with image stabilization. Thank you for watching guys, thumbs up if you found this video helpful and bump the subscribe button for more. If you are new here on this channel, we make cameras, lenses and filmmaking gear reviews. This was Oma and see you in another one.